what really happens when you see fiscal deficit coming down, resulting in reduction in the government's debt profile. So the government has to borrow less. Now, if it borrows less, then its interest liability also comes down. Now, what is happening right now, for example, last year, almost 60% of its total borrowing was used up for interest payment. Now, even now, if you take the 2024-25 budget, the budget that was presented today, you will see that the total revenue expenditure is going up by 6%. But if you take out the interest payment liability out of the revenue expenditure, the actual expenditure, because interest payment is not really expenditure, interest payment is paying back for your loans that you have taken. So the actual revenue expenditure is going up only by 4.7%. Now, this to my mind has to be corrected. Now, this can be corrected only if you have a strategy of reducing your debt so that the future generations, the future finance ministers don't have to almost confiscate 60% of your total borrowing for interest payment for your past sins, if I may use the word. So I think that's that qualitative change that is happening. What is more important, since you raised this issue, is that the government has also a target of revenue deficit. You will remember that some years ago when the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act was passed, and which is right now in force but sort of kept in abeyance, is that the revenue deficit should come down to zero. Now, post-COVID, in 22-23, it had gone up to almost 4% of GDP. Now, what we have seen last year, it has come down to 2.6. And in the current year budget, it is projected to go down further to 1.6. It essentially means that your revenue expenditure is being met more or less by your revenues, not by your capital receipts, which are borrowing.
So this is self-sustaining.
This also improves the quality and mix of the expenditure. And that, to my mind, is something that will not be highlighted or talked about in the budget speech, but it actually talks about the financial strength of a government.